Thinking about nature in cities is one of the most profound and difficult challenges we have before us, because that challenge is overlapping with, unfortunately, other forms of crisis that we see today. That may be housing crisis and the right to a life and right to a sort of a place to live, a house. Also the energy crisis, where we need to very rapidly transition and decarbonize our economy. But I still feel like thinking about nature in cities has a lot of clues and a lot of power and potential to kind of organize multiple ways of acting and moving forward. I'll give some examples. So in addition to being a professor, I'm also a leader of a design firm called GSAPP in America, and we have some big projects on the boards. One of them is called the Chattahoochee Riverlands, and it's literally about retrofitting a 100 linear mile multi-use pathway along the banks of the Chattahoochee River in the city of Atlanta. So this is a multi-generational effort to first clean the water and then to restore the water quality in the banks of the river, and then finally to create a contiguous pathway along its edges. So that's one example of bringing nature and mobility back into the center of the city. We have other examples in cities as diverse as Lexington and San Francisco, where we're trying to integrate these systems of water capture and filtration and multi-purpose bikeways and pathways and link up pieces of the city that really have been disconnected by roads and the private car. So there's a huge amount of work to do, and we're very deeply inspired by the biodiversity and the environment that we find here, and there's much to learn and exchange with. So.